If you're one of the many people who can't breathe great through your nose, this little guy here is going to change your life. This is a gadget made from a company called Intake Breathing. I found them online, not sponsored. I just happen to love this. I have problems with my nose, tried a lot of different things, and this is my favorite. It attaches with these little magnets, so you put one on each side. Mine are already on, and then you pop this baby on, and it opens up your nasal passages. I think it's great for athletes. Athletes have reported that they perform better with these on. People who sleep, hopefully you're also one of those, report that they get more oxygen at night, have less snoring problems. And for me, I have something called nasal valve collapse. So mine do this. Put this on. No collapse. Perfect. Try it.